Thank you. More rain expected yet this week leaves business owners in downtown Davenport certainly feeling uneasy. Local 4 News got a close look on Sunday of what it looks like almost a week after the breach there. A few business owners say while they're excited to see the water start to recede, how they are nervous it could get worse. Local 4's Kelly Bowles joins us live with what they're saying. Kelly?
Jim, it is a lot of hurry up and wait out here. Many of the business owners I talked to today say while they would like to start that cleanup process, they say that they don't want their efforts to be washed away by more rain this week. Last week was supposed to be a big week for a few storefronts here downtown. The Half Nelson and Slice of Italy were supposed to have their grand openings when the barriers breached, and a little further up, Lopez Pizza planned to open for Cinco de Mayo. Instead, all of these businesses have been working around the clock to get back to their big openings, but today they say more rain could put everything on hold this week.
We're trying not to think about the rain, but we're trying to be prepared as well. Yesterday we started sandbagging the corners just a little bit more. We want to do a little bit more sandbagging and sealing on the floors near the walls because that's where it's mostly all coming in now. But unfortunately, it is grass on the side of our walls, so it's not going to really do too much. So we're just praying for no rain.
And right now, a few of the business owners say that for now they are just taking things day by day, but they actually have employees staying in some of these buildings. A few of them do, where people are sleeping here to monitor this constantly, watching these floodwaters. For now, live in Davenport, Kelly Bowles, Local 4 News.
A lot of work there, Kelly. Thank you. Investigators say